In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Calendar in Google Classroom. This quick walkthrough is perfect if you want a single place to see when assignments are due across all your classes. Google Classroom has a built-in calendar that organizes your upcoming work by date, and opening it takes just a moment. Start by going to your Google Classroom homepage. This is the main hub where you see all your classes arranged as cards. Being on the homepage ensures the calendar option is easy to find and that you're looking at the overview for everything you're enrolled in or teaching. If you use more than one Google account, take a quick glance at the profile icon in the top right corner to be sure you're in the right school or work account so the calendar reflects the correct classes. Next, click on Calendar. You'll typically find Calendar in the left-hand menu on the Classroom homepage. On some screens, especially smaller ones, the left menu might be tucked behind the three-line menu icon at the top left. Calendar lives there as well. Selecting Calendar opens the dedicated Classroom Calendar view, which brings all your class due dates into a single timeline. Once the calendar loads, you'll see your assignments and posts arranged by date. It's designed to help you plan at a glance. Due dates are pinned to the day they're expected, and items are grouped by the classes they belong to. Teachers will see scheduled posts and due dates they've set, while students will see upcoming work and deadlines assigned to them. The layout is clean and consistent, so you can quickly scan what's coming up this week or throughout the month without hunting through each individual class. If you're viewing it during a busy term, don't be surprised if you see multiple entries on the same day. That's normal and a sign that the calendar is consolidating everything for you. The calendar respects your classroom time zone settings, so deadlines line up with your location, which is especially helpful if you collaborate across regions. To recap, it's just two simple actions. Go to your Google Classroom homepage and click on Calendar. From there, the calendar view does the organizing for you, giving you a clear schedule of what's due and when across all your classes. That's all you need to open Google Calendar in Google Classroom and start planning with confidence.